Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy stocks from Robinhood. First, you'll need to open an account. This involves providing some basic personal information and linking your bank account for funding. Once your account is set up, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the app's user-friendly interface. It's designed to make finding and managing your investments straightforward and simple. After setting up your account, deposit funds from your linked bank. Robinhood often offers instant access to a portion of your deposit, up to $1,000, allowing you to start trading quickly. Next, use the search bar to find specific company stocks you're interested in. You can then view detailed information, including current prices, historical performance, and relevant news, to help inform your decisions. Once you've chosen a stock, decide how many shares you want to buy or the total dollar amount you wish to invest. Robinhood allows you to buy fractional shares, meaning you can invest with as little as $1. You can place a market order to buy at the current price or a limit order to buy when the stock reaches a specific price. Always review your order carefully before confirming your purchase. After buying stocks, it's important to regularly monitor your portfolio's performance within the Robinhood app. You can also set up price alerts to notify you when a stock reaches a certain value, helping you make timely decisions. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Continuously learning about the market and diversifying your investments can help you achieve your financial goals over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.